Alright, so me and Ben are braving the blizzard of 2009. And we are driving to the park and ride to go to DC, and I'm sure no one else will be there but like us. And so apparently this is pretty crazy weather for Baltimore.
For Ohio too.
No, I think we had this last year. Anyway, there's been attempting to
drive through the blizzard.
Yes, and so it's pretty cool. Except I don't know how well this is gonna pick up the snow. Now everybody's stopping. Now
an accident.
Now the fun begins. So we are driving, and I can't get my arm out enough to record us both. But anyways, so more videos later. Should I tape your Ray phone call?
Okay.